How much time do you waste just managing your time? Chasing meetings, reshuffling to-do lists, switching between tabs? It's exhausting.
Now imagine a system that does all of that for you. A calendar that plans your day, reschedules tasks automatically, and protects your focus without you lifting a finger.
That's what AI-powered time management is all about. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. With tools that think ahead, adapt to your schedule, and give you your mental energy back. So let's start with the obvious question. Why does this matter?
Because most people don't have a time problem. They have a decision fatigue problem. Every day we burn energy making dozens of small choices. When should I work on this? Should I move that call? Do I even have time for lunch?
It adds up, fast. AI tools take that pressure off your plate. They turn your calendar and task list into a system that runs itself, so you can focus on the work that matters most. We're breaking this down into 3 key areas: smart scheduling, automated task management, and priority intelligence. Each one saves time on its own, but when you stack them together, the compounding effect is massive.
Let's start with smart scheduling. Tools like Reclaim and Motion are AI calendars that sync with your Google or Outlook calendar and automatically plan your week based on your goals, habits, and real-time changes. Reclaim blocks time for deep work, breaks, lunch, even your gym sessions, and adjusts if things run late. No awkward emails, no last-minute scrambling. Motion goes even further. It builds your day dynamically, moving tasks up and down your schedule based on priority and complexity. You don't even have to decide what to do next. It's already waiting for you. Next up, automated task management. This is where tools like Sunsama and Akiflow take over. Instead of dumping tasks into a static list, they pull from your email, calendar, project tools, even Slack, and help you map out what actually needs to get done today. You choose how long each task will take. The system slots it in intelligently around your meetings and energy levels. It's like having a chief of staff who knows your deadlines, knows your habits, and builds your day accordingly. Now let's talk about priority intelligence. Because it's not just about staying busy, it's about staying focused. SkedPal is a smart planner that reshuffles your calendar automatically based on what's urgent and what's important. It creates the space you need to tackle high-leverage work without neglecting the rest. And if you manage meetings or clients, tools like Clara handle scheduling emails for you, booking, rescheduling, and confirming calls without any manual back and forth. You get the benefits of a personal assistant minus the cost. So how do you build your own system? Start with a smart calendar. Use Reclaim if you prefer structured time blocks. Use Motion if you want full automation. Next, layer in a task manager. Sunsama is great for manual daily planning. Akiflow is ideal if most of your tasks come from email or Slack. Then automate one connection. Zapier or Make can link these tools together, so when you star an email, it creates a task. Or when a meeting is scheduled, it triggers a prep checklist in Notion. One automation today becomes 10 saved decisions tomorrow. Bonus tip, use voice automation to make your planning even smoother. With 11 labs, you can turn your daily agenda into a quick voice memo or send an audio summary to your team. That's a hands-free workflow that actually speaks your language. Want to try it? The link's in the description. And yes, it's an affiliate. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Here's the bottom line. These tools don't just save time. They save brain space, they reduce friction, they give you momentum. And once your system's in motion, it keeps running, even while you sleep. Subscribe to Automation Ace and get your time back, one system at a time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and automation hacks. See you in the next one.